This one pays you $500 to write about things that actually matter, and you don't need a journalism degree. Yes, you heard that right. A published byline, mentorship, and a deadline that's coming up fast, August 21st. If you've ever wanted to get paid to write, create video, or produce audio about human rights, culture, or the stories the news ignores, stay with me because I'm breaking this whole thing down in the next 10 minutes. Who it's for, what you get, and how to apply. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about legit ways to earn and build income online. No fluff, no scams. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next opportunity coming. So what exactly is the One Humanity Fellowship? It's a 3-month program run by We Are One Humanity, WAO for short, for writers and multimedia producers. And I want you to notice that word, multimedia. This is not just for traditional writers. They accept journalistic and analytical pieces, personal essays, photo essays, short form video, audio, even social media storytelling. So if you're someone who makes TikToks, record voice notes, or shoots on your phone, this door is open to you. During the 3 months, fellows publish at least 5 pieces on a bi-weekly schedule with real editorial support the entire time. This isn't a submit and disappear situation. You get paired with an actual editor who works with you. Let's talk numbers and benefits because this is the part people skip past and shouldn't. 1. Your work gets published on WAO's website and sent out to their global newsletter readership. That's real distribution, not just a link nobody sees. 2. Editorial mentorship from experienced editors, people who would actually help you sharpen your writing or your storytelling. 3. Expert mentorship matched to your area of interest. So if you care about climate migration, they try to pair you with someone who knows that space. 4. A guest speaking spot. Fellows may get featured on a WAO webinar to talk about their topic. That's a portfolio piece and a visibility win. 5. A cohort community. You're not doing this alone. You're connected to other storytellers across different regions and formats. 6. The stipend. $500 for your time and work over the 3 months. Now, I'll be honest with you the way I always am on this channel. $500 across 3 months and 5 pieces is not get-rich money. This is a credibility and portfolio opportunity with a stipend attached. If you're trying to build a name in writing, journalism, or human rights, focused content and combination, mentorship, publication, and pay is genuinely hard to find in one place. Here's the good news. This is open to emerging writers and multimedia producers at any career stage. You do not need a journalism degree. You do not need formal training. What they are actually looking for is a genuine engagement with human rights or civic issues, a distinct voice or visual perspective, the willingness to commit to the full 3 months and hit your deadlines. And here is something I want to highlight because it matters. WAO says they actively seek applicants from underrepresented regions and communities, especially people whose stories rarely make it into international media. If you're watching this from Lagos, Nairobi, Manila, Karachi, Kingston, anywhere your community stories don't usually get front page treatment, this is genuinely built with you in mind. Now let's get into the actual topics because this decides whether you have something to pitch. Fellows work inside 5 thematic areas and you bring your own angle, region, and community to each. Theme 1, responding to threats against democracy. Think disinformation, media suppression, youth-led anti-corruption protest, oligarchy, and concentrated wealth. Theme 2, moving beyond polarization, online hate, cancel culture and restorative justice, religious minorities in secular states. Theme 3, fighting for human rights, deportation and family separation, climate migration, undocumented workers, conflicts the world stopped watching, places like Sudan, Myanmar, the DRC. Theme 4, building inclusive societies, youth peace movements, the global mental health crisis, maternal mortality, the sandwich generation, caring for aging parents while navigating economic pressure. Theme 5, finding what sustains US, indigenous voices, the diaspora experience, second generation immigrants, navigating identity, even pop culture and fandom as a language of belonging. Pause the video right now if you need to. Which of these 5 themes is closest to a story only you can tell? Comment your theme below. I genuinely want to see what you're thinking of pitching. Okay, let's get practical. Deadline is August 21st, 2026, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Mark that in your phone right now. Accepted fellows are announced the second week of September, and the fellowship itself starts in October 2026. So you have no excuse not to be part of this fellowship. The application link is in the description box below. Before you go and apply, here are 3 quick things I would do if I were you. Tip 1. Don't wait until August 20th. Editorial teams reading hundreds of applications get tired. Apply early while reviewers are fresh. Tip 2. Pick one theme and one angle. Don't try to pitch 5 ideas across all 5 themes. Show them you can go deep, not wide. Tip 3. If you're a video or audio creator, don't assume you're not writer enough. We read that list. Short form video and audio are explicitly welcome. Bring a sample of your best work, even if it's rough. If this video helped you, I need 3 things from you before you go. 1. Tap that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. 2. Subscribe and hit the bell because I post legit paid opportunities like this one regularly. 3. Drop a comment telling me which theme you're pitching. I read every single one and I will reply. And if you want more opportunities like this, writing gigs, remote income, AI training work, paid fellowships, I've got a full playlist linked right here and in the description. Go watch that next. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep building, keep applying, and I'll keep bringing you the opportunities. Bye for now.